everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my June GlossyBox unboxing, as well as kind of an update on where I left off from May. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do unboxings, I do makeup try-ons, anything related to makeup. So if that sounds interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button. I would really love to have you as part of the family. Without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the box. For those of you that are new to GlossyBox, let me just go over really quick what GlossyBox is. It is $21 a month if you pay month to month. Certainly if you do shorter time periods, it is a little less money. But they say that it is 5 beauty products worth at least $60. And it's delivered monthly, of course. So GlossyBox came, I just got it yesterday. Here is my box. Not a special box. They are still very nice with the finished inside. The card for it, or the theme of it, is World of Beauty. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. I do want to show you kind of the wrapping. I do think that GlossyBox does a really good job on the presentation. I do think that usually the box is really nice, and then they always have some kind of wrapping paper. This one has kind of a picture of the world on it, hence World of Beauty, as well as the tie right there. So very, very beautiful presentation. And we're going to go ahead and jump into the products, and then when I get to the end, I'm going to kind of update you on what I think about GlossyBox, as well as some of the issues that I had from May. So the first thing in the GlossyBox box is a very small sample. They say it is a deluxe sample. It's called Liposome. So I'm going to go ahead and read you what it is. It is a serum that is supposed to provide all-day hydration, help repair and protect. It is engineered to time release layer by layer. It's biometric phospholipids, continuously hydrate the skin from within. And it is actually, for this deluxe size, which is just 9 milliliters, granted you don't use a lot for serums, I understand that, it's $22.50. For a full size, which is 20 ml, it is $50. I know serums are typically expensive, but that is a heck a lot for this little bottle. I do love the purple bottle. I think that's beautiful. I do have dry skin, so certainly I'll try it for this. We'll set that aside. So that was the first product. The next product that I have is a Model Co. liquid eyeshadow. It's liquid metal eyeshadow. And so I haven't tried this out, but I did swatch it on my hand yesterday. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. I know it's kind of hard to see that writing. It just says liquid metal. I kind of have it upside down, so it would be better if I put it this way. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand. It is a beautiful kind of goldy, pinkish, peachy, that was an awesome description, color. And it is really pretty. I did swatch it on my hand, and once it dried down, it stayed really well, but it didn't stay super shiny. So I'm interested to see how it actually performs on the eyes. I will go ahead and throw this in with my Slay Glam try-on so that I can kind of combine this with the Slay Glam, and we'll see what happens with all of that. This is actually a full-size product, and it is $19 for the full-size product. So that's product number 2. Our next product here is by Coors. Coors is typically a higher end makeup, skincare, not makeup, skincare line. It is the Greek Yogurt Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. Rich in collagen building protein, this Greek moisturizer is perfect for reducing redness and adding a plump bounce to your skin that lasts all day. So certainly I do have redness on my skin. Again, it is dry anyway, so I'm interested to see how this performs. This is a deluxe size. It's 20 ml, and for the deluxe size, they say it's $18. For the full size, which is 40 ml, it is $36. So certainly I'll be interested to try this. We did get 2 kind of extras that weren't counted in the price because they are itty bitty just trial packets. And this is from Hi5. It's a facial moisturizer and a facial oil, but it is that CBD line. So they say that this is supposed to hydrate, give intense repair, and it is perfect for combo skin, even the most sensitive. So the facial oil for a 50 ml is $40. For the moisturizer, a full-size product, which is 30 ml, is $54. So I will try it. Both of these are these cannabis-based things, which I do think, if you get a good product, is nice. It'll be the facial oil. It feels like there's a good bit in here, so you probably could get 2 times out of it. The moisturizer, there is only enough to do 1 max. So with such a small amount, especially for skincare, it's really hard to kind of give any kind of thought or update. Like, I'm not going to try this and know that I want to buy it, especially when the moisturizer is $54 when I can only try it once. So certainly it's a nice little throw in. You can use it as you want. Take it with you on vacation, whatever you want to do. So the next thing I got is this Peach Punch. And so these are, of course, makeup wipes or cleansing tissues. They say that they are infused with peach extract and help remove impurities while brightening and hydrating skin. This is an 8 count or a deluxe size, and it is worth $7. I do think the packaging is really cute. There's peaches all over the place. Trying to open these. Oh, they absolutely do smell like peach. So certainly that is interesting if you're not a fan of, and it's by Tony Moly, I forgot to say that, sorry. If you're not a fan of scented things, you absolutely won't like this because it is very peach scented. But certainly try it. Again, I typically don't use makeup wipes because I have a face halo, or kind of the imitation face halo from Amazon that works really, really well, that I just throw in the washer and then I continue to reuse. So I try and reduce the amount of makeup wipes. But certainly I'll give these away, or they're nice to throw in a gym bag or something like that to have with you if you need them. So that was the next product. And then my last product is a face sheet mask. It is a vitamin C energizing sheet mask. It says, say hello to brighter looking skin with this instantly rejuvenating, retexturizing, and illuminating mask from one of the top skincare brands in UK. Packed with vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. Consider this a tremendous boost to your routine. We do only get one. They say that one is $18, which for a sheet mask, although I know that the brand is a good brand, a reputable brand, $18 is a lot for a sheet mask. I'm not going to use an $18 sheet mask once or twice a week to get the benefits that I need, because that's just too much money. I know that sounds crazy, but I'd rather invest that in a serum that I would use every day, or in a moisturizer that I would use every day, versus a sheet mask that's kind of a throwaway product. So that's kind of the box there for June. I know it sounds terrible. I'm not super impressed with the box. When you add everything up, the value based on what they have is $84.50. Although I question some of the prices of these products. I think that they're pretty elevated for what you get. But I know skincare is expensive, so I get that. So update from last month. Last month for May, it was my first month. I should have gotten one of those Wild Side beauty boxes, but instead, I guess because I am a new subscriber and they ran out, they sent me a January box in which one of the products was kind of dry, that lip scrub not really usable. I did email them, and basically they are not going to do anything. So when I heard that they weren't going to do anything, okay, I get that you might have run out of boxes. It's a subscription box. but obviously that's not a good fit for me. It's not a company that I really want to work with. So based on their own information on their website, it does say that you can cancel and get your money back. So I have requested that multiple times, and no matter who I talk to, everyone says no, they will not reimburse me. I am stuck with the last 2 months, whether I like it or not. For my perspective, I don't think that's really good customer care. And I hate to complain about it, but it's not. And for the money that you pay, I don't think GlossyBox is worth it. Now, certainly if you're a big skincare person and you feel like these small deluxe samples help you get a better idea so you know what to invest, because skincare is expensive. You buy something that's $50 or $60 and then you can't use it, that might be a good fit for you. But for me, between the poor customer service, which I've heard consistently from people is a pattern, not an isolated incident, as well as the value of the product versus how much you pay per month, I will not be continuing this subscription. I think there's many other boxes, both skincare and makeup mix, that you can invest in and get. Support a smaller company that has better products or better customer service. That's kind of where I'm at from my perspective. Drop me a line below and let me know what y'all think about GlossyBox. Do you guys have subscriptions to this? What do you think about the company? Have you had issues before? Do you really like them? Is this maybe something that I experienced and I need to give them another chance? Let me know if you think I should give them another chance. From my perspective and my experience so far, I'm kind of unimpressed. I know that sounds terrible. But we'll kind of go. We have June's box to get and go from there. I'm sorry, July's box to get and go from there. But at this point, I wouldn't extend, and I don't think it's worth the investment. I do have one other thing that they did include. They do include lots of little flyers in their boxes. And so this is from Lively, and Lively is a brand created for women, their bras, kind of loungewear, that kind of thing. I think mainly bras. There is a $10 off your first order. I will put that code down in the description box so that if you guys do want to check out Lively or you want the $10 off, you absolutely can use it. And that's it for today. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be safe, take care of each other, and I will see you in my next video. I will have a video uploaded on Friday, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet, so we'll check that out when we get it. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.